Welcome to the YMS360 Online User Guide. Customize your YMS application with the vessel specifications. This tile appears on the dashboard for quick reference and provides the required data for crew and guest manifests. To enter your vessel details, go to the center tile on the dashboard and click on Edit Vessel Specifications. A pop-up window will appear with a series of data fields that you can fill in to complete your specifications. We recommend that you fill in as many as possible. This includes the vessel name, flag state and port, along with official numbers, call sign, and registration or IMO number. You can use the Tab key to go between each data field. It's handy to have this information in one place. The mailing address and current local address can be added in at a later date. Expand the specifications row to enter in the details of the vessel itself. The only items that are really required are the gross tonnage, the draft, the beam, and your length overall. You can also enter in net tonnage, displacement, chain lengths for port and starboard, and chain units. You do want to include the date the vessel was put into service and your propulsion type, in this case MTU 8900s. Click Save when done, and a notification will confirm your work. Click Close when finished. And now your specifications are populated. For more information, visit our website at YMS360.com or explore our YouTube channel for more procedures on how to best use the application. Thank you for watching the YMS360 Online User Guide.